Okay, this is Otoo Andoh, red ID 816-854-019 from Compy 160 Lab Section 1, and this is my lab number 10 for my student project. So what I am doing is making a reaction time game using a simple LED light and a button switch. So at the top of the program I have to include wiring pi because using the wiring pi, I also have to include the standard I/O header, standard library, and time.h header because they'll be used later on in the program. I define my LED light, which I name light, to be pin 0, and I define my button switch to be pin 1. And so I initializing the light as the output and then setting the button as the input. And then I have a variable n, which will be used in a for loop to run the program infinitely. I also have another variable k, which will also be used later on as a check to check the state of the button. And then I have clock start and clock n, and then double difference. This will be used to get the difference in time when the button switched and when the LED is turned off. This will be used to get the reaction time. And I have a random number generator to generate a number to delay the LED light for an unspecified amount of time that's used in the game. So the printf statement will be printing out the instructions, and then I have a delay of 5,000, which is 5,000 milliseconds to delay for 5 seconds. Then the LED light will be turned on, and it will be left on for a random period of time. And then once that's finished, it will be shut off, and then I will start the timer. Now this loop over here is used to check the state of the button. If it's turned, if the button is not pressed, it'll keep the light off and then check again. If it is pressed, it'll end the clock timer and then calculate the difference in terms of how fast your reaction time is. It's divided by clocks per sec because clock is only able to measure up accurately to a whole second, so in order to get less than a second, I had to divide it by that. And then they'll be shown the reaction time. It will be printed in this line, and then I'll ask them to enter 0 to end the game, which will exit out of this for loop. And then at the end, I'll ask them if they'd like to play again. Then please press the button again to reset it, and then enter 1 to play again. Otherwise, press 0 to finish the game. So this is it running. As you can see, here are the instructions. Now the LED light turned on, then wait for it to shut off. And then here's my reaction time, and it's 1.37 seconds. So I'm pressing 0 to end the game. Oh, my bad. So here are the instructions, and then the LED light will turn on, and then I'm going to wait for it to shut off. And then here's my reaction time, and then I will press 0 to end the game. And then, so if I'd like to play again, press 1 to play again, or otherwise press 0 to finish the game. So let's play again. So the LED light will turn on, then here's my reaction time again, same one. And yeah, that's my project.